Hello, today we received this amazing DC ceiling light and fan for big purposes, and well, here we got the instructions and all you need to assemble it. I'm gonna put it this side and check this out. And here we got everything, okay? These are the fan blades, the remote control and everything, the installation parts that you need, the cover, the light, a base, and the motor, okay? That's all it comes. So I'm gonna read instructions to see how to install it, and I'm gonna be installing it in here. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've already finished installing it. It's a very bright light, and I like it that you can turn on or off the light and the intensity if you want it warmer, colder, even colder, and the coldest, okay? As you can see, you can also dim it, which is really nice. I like it a lot. I'm gonna set it maximum. You can turn on with this button the fan and select the speed. I'm gonna set it up on 6. Change the way of the spin, so you can set it on cold weather or hot weathers. Any way you can set it. You can select so it doesn't make any sound. Silent, which is nice. You can lock it. It's a bit cold, so I'm gonna set it up. Okay. And you can program it to be on like 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. So I'm gonna display it. It's really nice, very convenient, and I like that it has this bracket so you can place the control and place it up on the wall, something like this, okay? So that I can. And it comes everything you need to install it. It's really nice. I like the warmer light, it's more cozy. And I would actually really recommend it. It's perfect for your home, for your office, anywhere you want to put it. It looks great. I like a lot the color. And I would really recommend it. See you guys.